Last July, I had 11 tomato plants completely covered in yellow flowers, and by August, I could count the actual tomatoes on one hand. If your plants are doing the same thing, you're not alone, and it's not something you did wrong. Here's the surprising part. It's almost never the plant's fault. It's one specific condition happening for just a few hours a day, and once you know what it is, you can usually fix it within a week. Here's what's actually happening. Tomato flowers need pollen to move from the male part of the flower to the female part, and that pollen only releases properly in a narrow temperature window, roughly 55 to 85 degrees. Once daytime highs push past that, especially with warm nights that never let the plant cool down, the pollen turns sticky and clumps together. The flower is still there, it still looks fine, but it simply can't pollinate itself, so it drops. The fix isn't complicated, but timing matters. First, water deeply in the early morning, not the evening. A well-hydrated plant handles heat stress far better, and morning watering means the leaves are dry by the time the sun peaks. Second, add a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around the base to keep the root zone several degrees cooler. Third, if your afternoons regularly hit the 90s, rig up simple shade cloth for just the hottest 3 or 4 hours of the day. You don't need to shade the whole plant all day. Just take the edge off during peak heat. And fourth, skip any high nitrogen fertilizer right now. Nitrogen pushes leafy growth, and a plant putting energy into leaves has even less to spare for flowers under heat stress. You'll know it's working within about a week. New flower clusters will stay open and plump through the afternoon instead of curling and dropping by evening. If you remember one thing from this video, remember this. It's not your soil, it's not your watering habits in general, it's the heat window during pollination. Fix that, and the fruit comes back. If this helped, subscribe. We've got a lot more of these fixes coming.